Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed yet before, thank you and God bless you. My people in the house. You know, one girl. Now I want to talk about. This girl, when she never born pikin, this guy toast am. He no gree. The guy toast am, beg am. He no gree. Say because the guy get children before, so you know if he date guy we get children. You understand? So the guy can't leave am. Then she come meet another person. She come born about 3 children for the guy. Now, the guy come in with that one day. Later, in with that one not come day again. They can't leave each other, you know. So now. The coco now be say, in with the guy not day again now. In now come in with that one we first to stand that time. They can finally meet again. As they come meet again now. He can't begin to beg that one and say, me no vex. Say no, say na so the one when he born for be all those things. Say he want come back to Ram. Whether he don't marry, and that one say no, he never marry. He say he want come back to the guy. You two of them did together, you know. Made them day, he need them back, I beg. Now the boy say lie. Say he told you you never born pikin. You no gree. Now when you don't born now you can say maybe with you can day. So now the boy say he not go ever feed it and back. So you can't discuss her with me say that kind girl. If in my brother me go fit advise him make if in date that kind girl. I tell her say my dear, I don't go fit advise you because the thing it really like the thing like chocotalized me as a parara talk. It chocotalized me, you know. So now I say I don't feel advise you make you go back really, but you chose girl who never born. When that born 3, now you can say me you can't come back to round. I say God forbid bad thing. I never see where that kind of thing. I be my people. When I don't see where that kind of thing for the happen. Me I never see am. If I lie, when I feel contribute, when I feel leave on a comment for me, I never see where that kind of thing for the happen. I be man, I can't toast gay when they never born, they not great. Now when they don't born till the way the man don't live, and now I can't carry him back. My people, I be more than shook mouth for this one. For me, waiting me tell and I be that one say I never see where that kind of thing for the happen. You know. Not be saying just to need advice, so he say, but don't be saying him go back to the girl, but if I feel shook mouth put my people, you understand? I see the odds, so maybe they do and fast like that, you know. So now that one, this our brother. So is it get another topic when I want to talk about again? You know, I want to cut them short. So this guy, another one again, this guy, in get documents in the Germany. So he come dey date this girl. So this girl, since we tell this boy, he never take him 1 day for him. He never get belle for this guy for 1 day. He just day with the boy, in with the boy they did together, you know. So now the girl now come, the girl not even they take him for this boy. You know they take him, you know they nothing like get belle 1 day. And they follow this boy. Now she can say she can't even discuss with her friends. He never take him, and she not person be saying once he don't get belle, belle no gree come. No, he say blah boy. Black boy they take medicine. Me this girl not get belle. She not even know. Wetin make her dey do am so? All because of documents when you want give am. All because of documents, my people. Now some people come wicked, which will be say because of documents. But I don't really understand why I be say some men they really they wicked. And be only men, child, even women. Some people they wicked for this document. What did they this document so? What did they this document when you not feel give person? What did they? So you can't take medicine. You don't even know whether I go even do anything. All because of documents. All because of documents. You can't begin to take medicine. Medicine get not get belle. Now so our people come wicked rich. Now so wickedness come rich all because of you give this girl documents. You can't make sure say you can't take medicine, this girl not get belle one day. And she did this maybe happy, she can't get problem. She na person where they quit taking, she fit get one picking before for Africa. Belle no gree come. No you see now. Blah boy, they take medicine, she not get belle. What about it that medicine can even affect in later now? All because of because the girl know how it is suffer for documents. And so if you can't suffer for documents to call, then make you one can just destroy another person's life, all because of you suffer for documents. My people, we will get conscience for this world. We will get conscience, We will get conscience. If they do all those bad things, our conscience not the evil they judge us. Your conscience not the evil judge you one day say, what I do to this girl so good. If na your sister, she tell you that kind of thing. Say, see waiting. Man, do to her. How you go feel, my brother? How you go feel? You don't go there happy. You must feel bad. There is no how. You be devil, you be wish where you not go feel bad. You must feel bad. You go even they swear for the man. You go even they swear. Say, this man, when what you what you do to my sister, that be this one. You go even they swear. You don't to another person pick you say make it dey happy with you. My people, how will they look this document issue? Some people say they don't want to date Aduro because say Aduro no get people. Aduro the young shall grow. Aduro go see grow one day. Aduro people are there for now. Mona no worry. God go do one. I go pray this prayer for una. God go do am. They go grant all of una. They go give all of una documents. Una go get una documents one day. And if una get am, more no use that suffer any woman, or because you suffer to get documents. More no use that suffer for any. More no use that suffer any woman. Let marry for love. Let marry make you give your woman documents. If you get documents, if you be woman will get documents too. Give your husband. I know say some people they bad. We be say they don't get them, they go come out. If he get documents, say he come out. He can't get documents, he come out. Leave her for God. God must surely see pay him in your way. We be say you don't go expect him. You know, so when you do something, you don't go expect say it go happen today. Later, then you can say you forget what you do. Now later you can't know say I really do bad thing that time. You don't go even remember again when the thing go happen to you. You understand me, my people? Maybe not they look down on Aduro people again. They be human be. If you want Okuma up, you go say na Aduro boy not be human be. Now human be, my people. You know, if you get documents, no, you know use and take suffer woman again. No use and take suffer woman again, make you not get belle for you or because of say you want give them documents. My God. And so people come wicked rich for this world. In fact, black people, and so we come wicked rich. We say your own fellow black. Or because say you want. So that means say the date when you even the date, they cannot be even love. Fake. That just be fake love. My people. More will get conscience for this world, eh? More will get conscience. Eh? More will get conscience. I beg. More will fear God. More will fear God. Eh? More will they behave where I beg, my people. More I want to use this document to suffer anybody again. Document are just paper. Now just paper. Now God, now by the grace of God, that you take get. Another person go see get time. You understand me, my people? Another person go see get time. Eh? I beg, my people, more than fear God. Fear God. Some bad men. More than fear God. So thank you, everybody. And just this short video, I just make I do. Eh? I beg, my people, so that maybe we change the way we take the behave. You know, good. We blacks. You know, good. Eh? So thank you, everybody, and take care. Share this video for me and like my page and like my video. Please share this video for me. Thank you, everybody. God bless my subscribers. God will continue to bless you people for me. God will continue to bless you people. Thank you, and God bless you people. Bye.